The history of artificial intelligence. Today we are talk about that. Okay. Today, at the starting of 1950 to 2017, we talking to the artificial intelligence history of AI. The first one is the 1950 history of AI and Turing test. The conversion between interrogator, machine, and human. So interrogator asks the question, but interrogator we don't know which is machine, which is human. So interrogator asks, "What is your favorite food?" The machine replies, "Pizza. I love cheesy and discussing it is." The human also reply, "My favorite is biryani. It smells great and tastes amazing." So the interrogator asks question to both without knowing who is who. So after conversation, the integrator thinks careful which is one is human, which is one is machine. The interrogator cannot decide correctly. Okay, the machine has a Turing test. It is like a human, and I think it is like a machine also actually replies as a human, but he could not understand interrogator, which is one human, which is one. So machine also like human. It is a intelligence. It is proposed test for machine intelligence. His name is Alan Turing, the computer scientist. Okay, the next one is AI born. When is AI born? In 1955 history of AI, which is who is conated term and artificial intelligence. The name of the computer scientist is John McCarthy. So he is described AI, the science and engineering of making intelligence machine. The father of artificial intelligence is the name of the scientist name, the John McCarthy. Okay, the next one is after 1961 and the history of AI animate. It is a industrial robot. It is unit may replace human works. When you see that replace human works, it is a robotic in manufacturing in the beginning, the first industrial robot in 1961. And Elijah is it is like first chatbot in 1964, and his creator is Joseph the Vegetarian in MIT. Okay, that is developed in Elijah in first chatbots. Okay, and it is conversion, the text-based conversation with human making recognize in the predicate fish. Okay, it is all about in the history of AI. The next one is the Snakey. In 1968 history of AI, the Snakey is nickname is the first electron person. Is the scientist. His and what is the first general propose in mobile robot, the capable the navigating environment and making decision and reasoning about his own action. This is marked robot is marked in the Precision and Plan Act. This is the setting the foundation autonomous robot. So the first general purpose mobile robot, and the project name is Snakey. The nickname is the 96 history of AI. And the after 1950 to 1970, its researching is okay. History of AI is developed, and in 1970 to 1980s to early 1990s, there is no research and slow research and interest wanted. The AI winter, the AI periods and reduced AI research. The 1970 to 19 the first winter, second winter, the booming times in the day and lower research. That we talk about AI winter. And the deep blue issue of AI. It is created IBM in 1997. It is a chess playing computer, the Deep Blue, and this game is computer human in the playing in the computer. Okay, this all about and Deep Blue. I think the compete with the outform human intelligence in specific dopamine chess. It is chess playing the computer is 1997 in the day we talk about Deep Blue. the playing computer. Okay, this is one of the AI, history of AI. And we talk about Kismet, 1998 history of AI. Kismet is a emotional. It is human emotion. Kismet is a robot developed in 1998 at MIT in the city in the Brazil. It was designed to interact with human using the emotion. See the cameras, hearing using microphone, show expression, happy, sad. So when you see this, the picture, okay, the first robot show the emotional intelligence in the 1988. It's a history of AI. And the next one is ABO. ABO is developed by Sony in 1999. It is robot is the pet dog. It is I think it is behave, walk and recognize people and learn tricks. We talk about 99 history of AI. This is development Sony and the ABO. It is the Sony in the robot. When you see this, all that videos, okay. The next one is Room BA. Room BA is robot vacuum cleaner developed by iRobot in 2002. I think the Room BA in the intelligent robot vacuum launched in 2002 and that cleans floor by itself using AI and sensor. When you see that, nowadays in the social media, most trending in this video, okay. The next one is Siri. The history of AI in 2011. Siri is, I think, voice assistance. Okay, voice introduced by Apple in 2011. Uses a natural language processing. It is helps and it calls someone set alarms and search web and set web. When you see that mobile and hey Siri, the call me dad is go to the call dad. It is talk about in the Siri in 2011 history of AI. The next one is Watson. Watson is the supercomputer created IBM. The Watson IBM AI super the shocked the world in 2011 by beating human and job ready using advanced AI and ALP. We talk about and it can understand questions and search large data and give the best answer and like that. The was done in the history of AI in 2011. And we talk about Ignition. Ignition is I think it is 30 years old design and the Ukraine boy and it is a chatbot created in 2014. I think it is fooling human judges. It is chat and answer and questions. It is used in natural language and developed by Vladimir and Veslon in the Ignition damage control and others. When you talk the question, it is reply the answers. The fooling human judges. Okay, that is 13 years boy all Ukraine in the boy. Okay, and Alexa 2014 history of AI. It is the voice controlling AI assistant. It's development AI Amazon. It is launched 2014. Is user to speak and the Alexa to the play music. Hey Alexa, play the music. Hey Alexa, set the alarm. We talk about this Alexa. Set alarm, control smart homes in the devices and the fan like the AC and that. The uses artificial intelligence and a natural language processing. The Alexa launched by Amazon in 2014 and voice assistance. We talk about history of an Alexa. And toy is also we talk about last against you and a chatbot in that sir. In this after 2016 history of AI, we are this is also chatbot created in Microsoft in 2016 designed and talk like 19 years old girl on Twitter. I think this problem, the bad behavior, the obsessive tweets, shut toy down within 24 hours. I think toy Microsoft and chatbot launched in 2016 was taken offline after quickly learn. AI learn from the internet. So toy is also chatbots. It is talking 90 years old. It is bad behavior when you see that video. And AlphaGo, this 2017 AlphaGo, it is the Google DeepMind Challenge match. When you see that, so it is I think it is a Go player in 2016, a different world champion Go player. Okay, I think it is defeated to the top global player. When you see this, it is the deep mind match in the AlphaGo matches. Okay, the next one is we talk about 1950 to 1917. After what happened, the 2018 to 2020s in transfer explore. When you see that Google introduced ChatGPT and 2020 for daily tools and Cloud Pilot and GitHub OpenAI in all about that. So when you see 2020 AI tools and go the public and 2023 generative AI and boom, and also and 2024 multimodal in open source interest. The 2025 deeply embedded in daily life. The 2025 ongoing, the AI is everywhere. Okay, and thank you so much. We talk about history of AI. That's it. I love you to all and love from everything in AI.